In this video, we're gonna introduce to you the BakeBit. The BakeBit Starter Kit is a development kit composed of a variety sensor modules. This kit contains one hardware extension board, which is called the NanoHat Hub, a set of sensor modules, and software utility, BakeBit Solution. The BakeBit modules can be easily connected to and work with FriendlyElec's Nano boards. They support variety of extension ports including digital interface, analog interface, I2C interface, and etc. When you open your BakeBit Starter Kit, you would find these items. 2 user manuals, one in English and the other one is in Chinese. A parts list which shows what's inside. A bunch of accessories including one NanoHat Hub, a clicky button, a 5-unit RGB LED bar, 2 independent LED light, one is green, one is in red, a sound sensor, a light sensor, a joystick, a ultrasonic module, a rotary angle sensor, a servo, a buzzer, one OLED screen which comes with 64 by 128 pixel, and 11 cables. The Nano Hub is a plug-and-play extension board specifically designed for NanoPi New and New Air. It is based on ATmega328 microcontroller, and it is a stackable design which would work on NanoPi New and New Air. The NanoHat Hub communicates with NanoPi New and New Air via its I2C interface. It acts as an interface between the NanoPi New and New Air and various external modules. You can find on top of that it got 12 4-pin connectors. These ports have including 3 I2C interface, 3 analog interface, 2 UART interface, and 4 digital interface, among which D3 and D5 support PWM. All the BakeBit modules can be connected to the NanoHat Hub with a 4-pin cable. The NanoHat Hub can be mounted on the NanoPi New and New Air with connectors. When you are planning to connect any device to your board, simply grab a cable, one end connected to the device, and connect the other end to your board. You can only connect it in one direction so that you won't accidentally burn your board. You can update chipset's firmware of the NanoHat Hub by the following instructions. First, install RDUD on NanoPi New's system. You can flash it in a TF card. Then, compile firmware with Arduino IDE. Now, connect your NanoPi New to the internet. Open a terminal on your NanoPi New from SSH login and download the BakeBit source code from GitHub. Then refer to the wiki to operate. Before you run the code sample, you need to follow the steps in BakeBit tutorial, which is on our wiki website, to install the BakeBit package. After you've done all that, connect your NanoPi New to the internet and plug in the power. When you see the blue light is blinking, like now, it is booted. Open a terminal of your NanoPi New from SSH. Log in to your NanoPi New, and now it's ready for some demo runnings. In order to demo the LED program, connect the LED module to the NanoHat Hub's digital interface D3. Then running the program code through SSH. Now you can see the BakeBit LED keeps blinking, and the interval between two blinks is exactly 1 second. In order to perform the demo of servo and rotary angle sensor, you simply connect the servo to the NanoHat Hub's digital interface D5 and the rotary angle sensor to A0. Now, running the demo code. Now you can see, when you're turning the rotary angle sensor, the servo will be steered between 0 to 180 degrees. In order to get the system info through the OLED screen, we can do as this. Connect the OLED module to the NanoHat Hub's I2C interface. Run the demo code. Now, the system info is shown on the OLED screen.